Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the Japanese style film in CapCut. So this is the CapCut photo style that you can use for your self-portrait, and I'm going to show you how you can use that. So first import your photo to CapCut, then click on it, go to style, and then click on the AI photo tab. Just swipe until you find the Japanese style. So this one, click on that and wait for it to be applied to your photo. Okay, so this is the result and you are done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on a thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!